Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad in Toca Boca. First, open the Toca Life World app and navigate to a kitchen or restaurant location. Look for a counter or table where you can place ingredients. The key is to experiment with different food items available in your chosen scene. This method allows for endless culinary creativity within the game. To begin, explore the different food sections within your Toca Boca location. You'll find a wide array of vegetables, fruits, and proteins. Simply tap and drag each item you want to include in your salad onto the preparation surface. Remember, there are no wrong choices. Mix and match to your heart's content for a truly unique meal. Hey everyone, if you're finding these Toca Boca tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun content. On another note, after all that virtual cooking, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have all your ingredients, drag them onto a plate or into a bowl. You can layer them or simply pile them up. Toca Boca allows for great freedom in how you arrange your food. Don't forget to try feeding your salad to the Toca Boca characters to see their reactions. It's a fun way to test your new recipe. After assembling your main ingredients, look for condiments and toppings. Many Toca Boca locations offer bottles of dressing, spices, or even fun sprinkles. Drag these onto your salad to complete your dish. Finally, present your masterpiece to a character. Watch their expressions. They might love it or they might have a funny reaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.